Hey guys, today is like what, like 10 September. Like I went out, I did like one open, and it was like the best open that yeah, I kind of went short about it. Like I just did like one open. It was like incredible open for me. As far as like yeah. So about my technique, I felt like there are some nuances that I'm getting it, like how it's working and what's making it work, how to make it efficient, and things like that. And I kind of skip like few many sets, and like it just comes down to the beliefs that I have. I feel like I can't open after like 10, and that's like I just forgive myself. I don't judge myself, but I just forgive myself that feels that. But I kind of have that belief, and that's kind of fox not fox me up, but that's kind of puts me to not approach. It's like I can feel like my open thing is sorted out. Like I have that identity that my opens are sorted, but I'm not able to do because of some few beliefs. And I think it's a game of the beliefs that you have, and by forgiving your beliefs, you just recreate a new belief. You just allow yourself to move past to your current beliefs. That's what it's making this forgiveness that I'm doing that work, that I forgive myself, that I'm feeling like people are judging me and that's hurting me. When I say that, I kind of accept that I have that belief that people are judging me, and I just accept it. I just I just allow it. Like it's just like I forgive myself. That means I have deleted it. But like forgiveness for me works in a way that I kind of accept, and then I just kind of move on. But like it's not a strongest belief as far as some other beliefs that I have, like just going out. Like that's one of the beliefs that I should go out every day. If I can't go out, there's like some itch happens to me, and I know with practice it's gonna get better. And I just did like one open, and it was like the best open. Like every time I'm doing best open, like, and I'm just not sugarcoating it, but that was like the sum of the. I could feel my energy, like which energy where I am compared to previously when I'm doing like normal game, just pushing it. That energy is different of the open, and I know open doesn't matter. I also believe in that, but kind of got rejected, and I forgive myself that I didn't feel rejected, but just the context I'm just saying. But yeah, that's about it, and I think that's about it this video. And you might have noticed that I stopped in like starting of the video. It's because I was just forgiving myself that okay, I just feeling that like people are judging me. Like I was just feeling that, and like I can't say that loud. That's like I forgive myself that that's thinking, that's judging, that I can't say that loud. I forgive myself, and I mean I just take it what I work, and this is what working for me. So just gonna stay with it, and I think I just need to increase my timing on the game so that I get more reference experience, and that becomes my identity. So I just need to get that thing done. I think I'll just increase my game time to 2 hours or 3 hours. I just have to cut my all of the timings, and that should do for a while. And I hope you like this video. And tomorrow I'm gonna go like 2 hours, and that's about it. I'm just gonna go to a very easy venue like the CP. It's like easy venue for me as far as I can believe, and I'm just gonna go after my work. And I think just have to like balance both of it, and like don't push one thing too much. And yeah, just have to do it. Just have to better time manage on that thing. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe. And also one more thing, like I have to do 20-minute 6 set like rapidly, and I'm thinking about changing it to 2.5 minutes a set. Like just start 2.5 minutes, open one set, then reset, and do it for like 1 or 2 hours, whatever you feel like. I think just gonna have to do with that. But let's try tomorrow. Let's try the basic stuff. Let's try increasing the timer to 2 hours. If that works, then I'll stick to that for a while, and then maybe I'll change it to 2.5 minute timer. But that's about it. I think this is the longest I've ever talked. And the change you see in me, it's not that I recently opened. I opened like 30 minutes ago. It's the forgiveness thing. I forgive myself that I'm feeling like people are judging me and that's hurting me. And when you feel like that, all the trauma gets released, and it's super crazy. And I hope you like this. Do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you. Bye.